Hello everyone, it's me on Toothless Tesla. There's a video of a Tesla Model S being hit from behind by an ICE car, that is, a car with an internal combustion engine, on a Hong Kong highway. And I wanted to share this with you because I don't know whether this incident was reported in the Western English media. Probably not as widely as it was reported in the Chinese media channels over here. So here are some freeze frames of the incident. I will of course include a link to the actual video in my description below. Now what happened was pretty incredible. An ICE car wasn't aware that traffic ahead had stopped and continued to crash straight into the back of a Model S. The ICE car, with a hot engine containing fuel, coolant and other flammable liquids, ignited and a fireball suddenly appeared. In contrast, the Tesla Model S appears to escape with only a very sore rear end. And fortunately, all involved were not seriously injured. What conclusion can we draw from this? Well, given the choice of which vehicle one would rather be in, the Tesla is the obvious choice. Driving Tesla cars is relatively, and I think I can say significantly, safer than driving ICE cars. You may agree or disagree, so please let me know what you think with your comments below. As always, thanks for watching.